Or ask me, how much did you earn without posting? I earned more than $10 without posting. And where did it come from? It came from the videos I had posted earlier. 5 years, 2 years, 1 year, 3 days, 1 day. In today's video, you can do as a creator or a social media entrepreneur, it is to invest your time in greener content. Greener content is one of the best things. I love it so much. If you want to earn money and if you want to take social media as a serious income generating activity, income generating venture, a project that you want to concentrate on in 2026 and years to come, just focus on greener content. Can you believe let me show you, in the last 5 days, I have not been on social media. And in fact, I did not do any video. Let me show you. Stay with me. That I have not done any video. 5 days. But in not doing video, do you think at this? In the last, I have not done any content. This video is 5 days back, meaning as I record this video, I'm recording the video on 5th, and I've stayed 5 days without posting anything. This was our last video. So today, as I record the video, we are watching this video. But guess what? The good news is here. It's not on when did I post the video. The good news is, am I still earning? The good news is that in the last 5 days, not posting anything, still my income was coming. You might ask yourself, or ask me, how much did you earn without posting? I earned more than $10 without posting. And where did it come from? It came from the videos I had posted earlier. 5 years, 2 years, 1 year, 3 days, 1 day. In today's video, I'll be showing you the different types, 10 different types of greener content ideas or greener content topics. Call them the way you want. Now, a lot of people are coming up, starting social media. After knowing that there's a man on social media, they are starting. Specifically, they are starting YouTube. They are starting podcast with an aim of making money, with an aim of online income. But do you think they will earn money? No. Most 99% of them have invested their time in trending videos, trending topics, politics, and others. Those ones are very good. But do you want to earn money even when you're sleeping? Do you want to earn money even when you don't post? This video is right for you. If you're out there and you're watching this video, allow me put a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes. I'm not saying that the moment you start today, if you begin, you're going to get money. If you begin, you're going to get a car of your dream. You're going to solve all your problems. No. I'm giving you tips to assure you that there is money on social media. There is money online. So get these 5 to 10% of the tips, go research. If you find you can do it, calm down, do it. If you feel it is not okay, leave it. To my special engagers, I love you so much. You're one of the people that make me come every day. Blessed new month, happy July. Can we dive in and really see what are these greener content ideas? How come when we are talking about greener content ideas, we mean the content that is like food, not content that is like a need. No, it's just their want. We are talking about the content that everybody will have even after 5 years. Something that you go to Kinin and even they bring for you videos of 10 years, videos of 5 years. That's what we call greener content. Greener content is the one that is passive, that brings money every day. So it doesn't matter whether you're on Facebook, whether you're on TikTok, or Instagram, wherever, you need this greener content. I earned money and I'm still earning money even when I don't post. Let's dive in. The first one that I'll give 98%. Why should I give 100? 98% is how to do tutorials. Do you know, most people don't know that you can do some topics and you get enough income out of it. Someone gets topics, gets enough views and don't get money. But now for us, we're talking about money. So examples we have, like if you're teaching, most people hear about affiliate marketing. I've been telling you here, affiliate marketing. Most people don't know how to do it. So imagine you start your channel and start tutorials. How to cook pilau very well. Don't say, come with me as we cook. Cook with me. Cook with me, everybody can do cook with me. Cook with me is highly competitive. So it will not be part of passive income. It will bring you money, but it will not give you money for the rest of the years. But if you start with how to cook this rice, how to find a very best apartment in United Arab Emirates at a cheaper cost, how to do affiliate marketing as a beginner, how to make money on internet, how to make money as a Ugandan living in Dubai. This is something that people would always search because they want to know steps. Those are tutorials. You might be having good information, but then the second one is beginner guides. Beginner guides are very good. For example, we talk about complete beginner guide for making money online in 2026. It is part of the passive and greener one. Great for attracting new audience consistently. We have the third as top 5 or top 10 lists. When people hear top 5 or top 10 lists, they don't click it, but there is no video that I've made with the top 10, the top this, and it doesn't work well, as in terms of money, not in terms of views. So it's easy to watch and highly searchable. Then we have common mistakes to avoid. To avoid where? To avoid in marriage, in a relationship, in making money, in getting monetized. People consistently want to avoid costly errors. So the moment you put it, you'll get people to watch and you'll get money always. Frequently asked questions, that is FAQs, they get attention. Because for your own information, how does YouTube pay? Most people don't know how YouTube pays. Most people, okay, for your own information, this is the amount of money that I've earned, the highest money I've earned on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. The people want to answer their silent questions, the ones they're asking and the one they are not asking. So most frequent questions asked about YouTube. Then we have the sixth one as product reviews. Hey, you guys, if you be honest, I'll be bringing for you. I slept in one of the silk bed sheets, but I slept twice the time within the short time. So I'm giving a honest review over the beddings as far as silk is concerned. You review popular tools that stay relevant. Like you should be reviewing your iPhone, you should be reviewing the AI tools. Then the seventh one is comparisons of videos. If you're comparing, for example, affiliate marketing with the drop shipping, people know affiliate marketing and some confuse it with the affiliate marketing with the drop shipping. They confuse them together. So now if you want to hit it, you can go for that. Comparison content continues attracting viewers over time. If I come here and I compare Dubai over Saudi Arabia, you will be interested to know such that if someone wants to go, can go somewhere. Then success strategies. People want to know how to be successful. So you can say like 5 habits of successful content creators. Put them there. These are motivation and educational content, which goes very fast. The 9th one is resource and tool recommendation. Now, what about the 10th? It is timeless money making tips. You guys, There are like 10 proven ways to build passive income online. These are my 10 greener pasture content ideas.